In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean and simple border to your PowerPoint presentation. This quick design touch can instantly make your slides look more polished and visually appealing, and you only need a couple of tools built right into PowerPoint. Start by heading to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Shapes and choose the rectangle. It's the first option in the list. Now click and drag on your slide to draw a rectangle. You can cover the entire slide so the border hugs the edges, or make it slightly inset if you prefer a framed look. Don't worry about perfection at this point. We'll refine the appearance in a moment. By default, the rectangle will come with a solid fill, since we want only the border. Right-click the rectangle and choose Format Shape. A panel will open on the right. In the Fill section, select No Fill. That removes the color inside so you'll see your slide content again. Then switch to the Line section. This is where you style the border. Choose a color that complements your theme. Yellow works nicely for a bright modern look, and adjust the width to make it stand out. Setting it to around 4 points creates a clean, noticeable frame without being distracting. You can preview as you go, and when you're happy with it, close the Format Shape panel. Next, make sure the border doesn't sit on top of your content. Click the rectangle, right-click, and choose Send to Back. This places the border behind your text and images, so you can continue designing without accidentally selecting it. If you need to tweak the border later, just click near its edge to select it again. To use the same border on another slide, you don't have to recreate it. In the left thumbnails panel, right-click the slide and choose Duplicate Slide. This gives you an exact copy with the border already in place. Delete the existing text, add your new content, and your design stays consistent from one slide to the next. And that's it. An easy way to elevate your slides with a simple border. Consistency is key, so try to keep the color and thickness the same across your deck, and choose a shade that complements your overall theme for a cohesive look. Check out the other helpful PowerPoint videos on screen to learn more tips and tricks. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.